How does it work? Oh, obviously make it in Korean so that, you know, Malay cannot read. Assalamualaikum, hi guys, my name is Ismail and you're watching Chekmael Free. So today I have an unboxing video for you. Okay, so the thing is, if you guys watched the last video, I did tell myself that it's gonna be like the last unboxing video. I think I have enough shoes and clothes and whatnot, so I think that has to be put on the stop. If you guys didn't know, I actually do not want to do any kind of cooking in this house because one thing, I can cook, but sometimes I'm just stupid. Like, I remember when I was living at my mom's house, I wanted to make like fried rice or whatever. So I was cooking the whole time I was cooking, and then when I was eating it, I was like, it tastes very, very funny. I'm like, why does it taste like this? It's like, what the hell? I feel that there is no cooking involved in the dish. It's more like everything is just heated up according to the time that I put the ingredients in. So the onions are heated up more than the rice and the vegetable, and I was just eating like something that just heated up. There's no cooking involved. It was disgusting. I lost the interest in cooking. Plus, when you sometimes buy, okay, for example, you want to make pasta, so you buy the ingredients and then you come home and you cook. You're like Jamie Oliver for like half an hour. The next day you open the fridge, oh, I have leftovers from my spaghetti conquest the day before, and then you don't feel like eating pasta anymore, and then you have so many leftover ingredients, which is such a bloody waste. But just because I do not want to cook doesn't mean that I shouldn't have the utensils that I can, you know, you never know, maybe like, oh, like suddenly I have this, okay, I think I want to cook. Or like sometimes if I invite friends over and that they want to cook a dish, at least I should have the basic essentials. I decided to choose this cookware from Modori because one thing, it looks really good. My best friend Janita also introduced me to this cookware set. I feel that it's designed for a single person. It's not very, very expensive. That's what I like about it. So I am going to unbox this Modori package with my favorite scissors from my favorite best friend from my best friend Janita. So let's go. Okay guys, once again I might have to disappoint my best friend again because I've actually opened the box, so we don't need the scissors. Sorry Janita, but okay, here goes. This is Modori. Modori is made in Korea, I believe. So I opened the box and then this is like a... Why did I buy this color? Am I unenthusiastic because it involves cooking? I have always constantly been going to IKEA, and then when I saw like the IKEA, I was like, oh, I need that, and then I realized that it's actually in your house. You already bought this. It's very slick, it's very clean. What for? Maggie. It comes with this stopper. I remembered the stopper was to actually replace this thing here. You have 3 tries. After that, you're done. The measurement is, if you care, 17 cm. So this is the second box, and then you open, and then oh, there is like a this. Wow, I really don't know what I bought, and I'm sure you should at least know what you buy, right? But why did I buy this? I don't need. It's like a ceramic set. And it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 6-piece, 7, I guess. I did not remember I ordered this. You have to think like a Korean actually. This will be for your soup, this will be for your rice. And then there's 2 of these, kimchi, and then a side dish. And then this will be for like... And then it comes like a plate for maybe your fish. The main intention is to actually pack everything in one. So I have like my soup bowl, my rice bowl, my vegetable, my side dish plate. See, everything's inside. Got one more. Right? And then this one you put over. Oh, da 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 da. But why did I buy this? So on to the next package. Oh crap! I hate it when I damage the package. I want to enjoy it for a bit. Come on. Okay. Anyway, so this is actually the cover. So I should actually probably open that first. This is the biggest package of the package. The biggest package from the package, if you know what I mean. Okay, so this big package comes with a lot of things inside. Let's start with this one. This one is... okay, I get it. So this is the Modori, like a frying pan, I guess. A frying pan. Does it work with this? It doesn't work. And then the second one is like a more deeper pan. Does it work? Okay, so it's for this, the second one. How big is this? 22 cm. So it's only meant for this one. Well, that's quite sad. So the next one is this it comes with the cover here, right? So, wow. Why is this so big? Oh, this is like a separate bowl. You know when they eat Maggi? Oh, this is for Maggi. Fancy for Maggi, say. My no interest in cooking is like disappointing me. Anyway, so this is... Oh, you know what this is for? Like, it's so weird, right? Like, I'm carrying all these things like that because this is separate. How does it work? Oh, obviously, make it in Korean so that, you know, Malay cannot read. Number 1, press. Number 2, you put and then you lift. But why doesn't it lock? It should lock, right, bro? Okay, so like, hey, you cook already and then you bring this and then like you probably want to serve the food with this pan and then you're like, oh, enjoy the food, guys. And then like, how am I supposed to take it out? Unless I touch this. Okay, like you cook, right? Okay, you masak, oh, sampai tumis, blah, blah, blah. And then you're like, oh, I want to like bring this over so everybody can enjoy. Oh, you know why? Because I bought this. Dang, 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 dang. This is the pot handle where you can actually like, oh, dah masak. So and then you put. So when you serve this, right? Da, 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 hey, enjoy. Then you use this. Then you're like, adoy. Okay, but there is a good thing that I like about this. Is it really good? That's why I don't like to wash dishes, because some of the dishes, right, like the one that, especially the one that comes with the handle and whatnot, right, a lot of the food debris will, you know, like when you cook constantly and then like the oil and everything, so it will like, you know, like those disgusting thing, and then it's so difficult to wash. Actually can like you use baking soda or whatnot lah. But I just don't like those dirty things. So I thought this is so great, like it's a separate handle. But if sometimes when you cook, you know, like you have all the food at the side, and then like when this touches, and then like, you know, it will actually got into the... I can give this a try. I probably won't use it. I won't cook. Defeats the purpose, man. I actually bought the Tupperware, the silicone Tupperware. So I decided to buy a better quality one, like a better plastic. So because the one that I'm using is kind of like the cheaper kind, and then it's like... So I bought 5 of these, and then when you buy 5 of these, you need the different color also, right? So actually it's very nice. Anyway, I bought 2 of these. I wanted to put fruits. One for like a lunch meal, one for fruit, and then of course you need to buy one for your snacks. Actually, because it comes in 3 colors and I cannot figure it out which one I want. This is the light grey. I only bought one of these to put like nuts or whatnot. So like when I go to work, I have all these things to carry, which is a lot of things lah. unboxing that I have for you today, this Modori set. For a person that doesn't cook, I guess you expected better. Look at this, to cook my Maggi. Everything is all about Maggi. It looks really good actually, and it goes with my black and white kitchen theme that I'm striving for. I have no idea why I bought this. I know when I was looking at it, I said, I don't really need that. You don't need that, Ismail. And then suddenly I realized that I actually bought it. But it's beautiful, so yeah. I think one of the best things that I enjoy is this silicone containers. I think this is a good option to actually use less plastic, and then like try to use this as extensively as whatever it's meant. This thing I have a problem with. I feel it's a bit difficult to maneuver. Okay, Modori people, when you watch this, right, like if I put it and then like I want to like take it out, that's why they created this. They can use more of this material and okay, let's decide what we can make more. Oh, this, so that you know, people like me can okay, now I get it. I think this could be like my favorite. So like when you cook your Maggi, and then Singaporean, okay, Maggi, like hey, then you like. Okay guys, thank you very much. That is the video I have for you today. I hope you enjoy this Modori cooking set. One thing that I feel that is actually very convenient for a single person like me, which doesn't really am into cooking that much. Now that I have the full cooking set, then I'm like, okay, I don't have to look at cookware anymore. I have everything that I need. So until I see you in the next video, bye!